Welcome to CodeChef. Today, we are going to learn how to insert a node at any position in a linked list. Let's take an example linked list with values 1, 3, and 4. Our goal is to insert the node 2 after node 1. First, we locate node 1 because we want to insert after it. Next, we create a new node with value 2 and adjust the pointers. Now node 1 points to 2, and node 2 points to 3. The insertion is complete. The updated linked list is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's look at the code that performs this insertion. First, we create a new node and assign it the given value. Next, we initialize a pointer current to track the current node, starting from the head. If the linked list is empty, we make the new node the head and return. No further steps are needed. To find the correct insertion point, we move through the list until we reach the KTH node. We then link the new node to the next node of current, so it correctly connects to the remaining list. Finally, we update the next pointer of the current node to point to our new node, completing the insertion. And that's how we insert a node at any position in a linked list. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more programming tutorials with CodeChef.